langsung aja mungkin untuk sesi pertama kita mungkin akan mereka memberi penjelasan motivasi mereka, apa keinginannya cosplayer di Indonesia itu mau menjadi seperti apa, dan tujuan di setiap tahunnya itu mau kayak apa untuk event ini.
So your question is what is your motivation? Your motivation to cosplay, your motivation to come here, and what do you think from here, and what do you think? So what do you hope the cosplay scene here to become like? Maybe you can start with the first one first, your motivation. You can talk using the mic. Motivasinya sebagai tim atau sebagai individual? As a cosplayer. Maybe you can do it as a team. I think you can represent.
I believe that most of us started cosplaying because of the love of the characters that we cosplay. We wanna, how do you say it? Bring the characters back to life. Sorry.
The reason why we came up with Flex Cosplay together was because the four of us had very similar likes. We like the same characters. Sometimes we play the same games, we watch the same shows. Then we thought that we could come up with an effort where all the four of us guys and one member who's not here today, we work together to bring all these characters to life. Kenneth is our leader, so he brings us all together. He brings us, he talks to the organizers, and we're really happy to be in Indonesia today because we are very surprised because we see that the Indonesian cosplay scene is really great here, and we're really happy to see so many cosplayers. Yes, and we really hope to see more of these cosplay standards in Indonesia because this is really great, and we just like to meet more Indonesian cosplayers. It's a fantastic experience.
Oke, jadi saya translate ya. Jadi mereka jadi bikin namanya dulu. Saya translate dulu ya. Jadi mereka tujuan mereka untuk bikin tim ini adalah karena mereka punya kesukaan karakter yang sama dan mau menghidupkan karakter mereka lah ya. So sebelahnya ini kan ada tiga putih. Apa? Terus jadi mereka merasa di Indonesia cosplayernya tuh keren-keren. Ternyata keren-keren gitu ya. Dan mereka mau ketemu dengan cosplayer Indonesia yang lain. Jadi untuk mereka, ketua tim mereka adalah Kenneth. Itu Kenneth, itu ketua tim mereka. Jadi mereka itu dia itu yang ngomong ke organizer, IO supaya proses-prosesnya gimana, dan mereka sangat senang bisa diundang ke sini gitu. Terus actually they want you all to introduce yourself one by one. Maybe starting from.
Hello, I'm Gray, and I'm cosplaying Nagisa for Flex Team.
Iya, jadi namanya Gure. Jadi dia cosplaynya Nagisa untuk timnya dia.
I'm Sky. I'm cosplaying as Ray from 3 today.
Jadi dia namanya Sky. Y-nya 2.
Hi everybody. I'm Lil Jaguar. It's great to come back to Indonesia since I came last year for League of Legends, and I'm cosplaying as Cole from 3.
Ya, jadi dia namanya Lil Jaguar. Dia udah kedua kali diundang ke Indonesia. Yang terakhir kali tahun lalu.
Hi, I'm Kenneth, Dear Aeroplane. I'm cosplaying Makoto Tachibana from 3.
Jadi yang itu namanya Kenneth Lil Aeroplane. Dia cosplaynya Makoto Tachibana.
Hi, I'm Kuroki Ren, cosplaying Haruka Nanase from Free.
Ya, jadi yang di paling ujung itu namanya Kuroki Ren, N-nya 2, R-E-N-N. Dia cosplaynya Haruka dari Nanase Haruka. Satu anime semua. Ya, jadi ada pertanyaan yang mau ditanyain? Kalau bisa pakai Inggris.
Okay. Hello. My name is Raffi Nugroho from Kawari Nusantara. I would like ask to all of you, why you choose to cosplay as Free? Do you like the anime, or do you really love the character that you cosplay, or you have some other feelings that you want to cosplay as what you are wearing now?
I think it's Free because we've always wanted to cosplay together. Free, we love sports and kind of swims, so I think this anime suits us all very well, and I love Haruka as a character, and I relate really well to Haruka, and I can understand, and I want to portray Haruka and bring Haruka to life.
Ya, jadi katanya dia emang demen sama animenya, emang demen, dan apalagi leadernya si Kenneth emang perenang. Dan jadi terus kebetulan karakternya cocok-cocok dan emang demen, apalagi dia katanya demen sekali sama karakternya, makanya jadi pilih Free.
Yeah, my character actually swims the backstroke, and I used to swim competitively as a backstroke swimmer and butterfly swimmer as well. So when the anime came out, I was actually very excited because I can relate to it as a sports person as well. So which is why I really wanted to do the characters from series.
Jadi kalau dia ceritanya karakter yang dia cosplayin tuh berenangnya tuh gaya punggung. Jadi dia tuh dulunya tuh lomba renang tuh gayanya gaya punggung juga, makanya pas karakternya keluar tuh dia kayaknya seneng banget gitu. Ya, one by one. Your next question. Oke, kayaknya pertanyaan selanjutnya ya kalau di satu-satu. Kayaknya ganti-gantian aja ya. Ada pertanyaan lagi? Ada lagi yang pertanyaan? Oh ya. Sebagai individu atau sebagai tim? So his question is, as a team and as an individual, to which country have you been cosplaying?
I've actually cosplayed trying to cosplay all around the world, but I've gone to China, I've gone to Indonesia, London recently for cosplay as well, and Malaysia. Jadi dia sudah pernah cosplay diundang ke Indonesia, di Malaysia juga pernah, di Filipina juga pernah, di China, dan baru-baru ini dia baru diundang ke London untuk cosplay.
I've also been to London, China, Japan, Malaysia, Philippines. I've been to Indonesia last year as well, the Jaguar for the League of Legends Indonesia Game Show.
Kalau dia sudah juga sama, sudah kelilingnya sama barengan. Terus dia berdua juga tahun lalu sudah datang ke Indonesia untuk Indonesia Game Show sebagai untuk cosplay untuk League of Legends.
Personally, myself, I've only been over to Malaysia to cosplay. But as a team, this is our first time overseas over here in Indonesia, and we're super excited and super thankful for people to invite us down here and cosplay. So thank you guys.
Ya, jadinya kalau dia juga cuma pernah ke Malaysia, dan kalau sebagai tim ini pertama kali diundang ke luar negeri, jadi mereka tuh senang sekali gitu. bisa diundang sebagai satu tim gitu. Terus berterima kasih sekali lah sama Indonesia udah undang gitu ya, udah bisa diundang. Ada pertanyaan lagi?
Okay, I'm Dodi. I have one question to all of you. My question is, what cosplay means for all of you? Yeah, so, thank you.
Cosplay has different meanings for each of us because we have different objectives. For most of us, the most important thing every time is to have fun. So because if you're not having fun, then you're not really, you won't be able to bring the character out. And then, of course, for the sorry, for the different ones of us, some of us are trying to make more friends from cosplay, build more networking, while others we have cosplay as a way to be creative, to share our craft. For example, for me, I'm doing finance work, so every day is very math. All the maths I see every day. So when I do cosplay, it's something different. It's very refreshing.
Ya jadi kalau mereka cosplay itu untuk katanya untuk fun, untuk senang gitu. Kalau nggak fun ya nggak cosplay katanya. Jadi terus kalau nggak fun juga kayak susah gitu jadi karakternya gitu ya. Terus mereka juga jadi cosplay itu untuk apa ya bilang? Untuk mengekspresikan diri lah, untuk be kreatif gitu ya. Terus dia bilang dia kasih contoh kalau dia tuh aslinya kerjanya tuh di bagian keuangan, katanya tiap hari bosen liatnya nomor-nomor ya. Jadi kalau mereka pas bercosplay tuh bisa kreatif gitu, jadi nggak bosen.
What cosplay means to me is that through cosplay, actually, I've learned so much. I've never done sewing before cosplay. I've never done craftsmanship before cosplay. So everything cosplay means a whole new world for me to learn. It's a whole journey, and yeah, makeup, everything that goes into it is just so much, and not a lot of people get to experience it. And I'm very lucky that I came across this hobby. It's really a very good hobby.
Iya, jadi kalau dia tuh cosplay tuh berarti sekali. Katanya kalau nggak ada cosplay dia nggak bakal belajar menjahit. Jadi kalau nggak cosplay dia juga nggak bakal belajar yang art and crafting gitu. Dan katanya kalau nggak cosplay dia kayaknya nggak bisa pakai makeup. Any more question? You want to say something? Cukup ya? Satu lagi kali ya. Oke, akhir ya Mas.
Hello, I have a question. What is your most memorable cosplay? Maybe as a team or individual, and if you have another chance as a team to make a cosplay again, what would you like to cosplay as a team for the future? That's all. Thank you.
Most memorable and what do you want to cosplay?
I would say our most memorable cosplay is our latest cosplay, Slam Dunk. We had all 5 members of Flex all together, which was super exciting, and it's one of our favorite animes together. And it's still sports. We love sports. So I feel that Slam Dunk is one of the best cosplay to represent us as a team. And we haven't really thought of what to cosplay next, but hopefully we could get all 5 members together, especially Jafan, who is not here today.
Ya, jadi kata dia yang paling memorable tuh pas cosplay karakter yang paling terakhir dia, Slam Dunk, klasik ya Slam Dunk. Ya, jadi mereka punya semua 5 member di tim Slam Dunk, ada semuanya. Sayang sekali yang satu hari ini yang namanya Dravan tidak datang gitu. Terus untuk selanjutnya mereka belum tahu mau cosplay apa lagi ya. Cuman kalau cosplay lagi ya berharap 5-5-nya bisa cosplay bareng gitu. Jadi satu tim. Baik, rekan-rekan wartawan, karena beliau gestar ini akan mau tampil juga nanti di parade, saya rasa sudah cukup sekian untuk wawancaranya. Saya ucapkan terima kasih atas kehadiran rekan-rekan dari media. Terima kasih.